Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn 6th standard prose, that Sunday morning questions and answers. First question: how does Patna differ from Delhi? How does Patna differ from Delhi? There were imposing buildings or monuments in Delhi. There were imposing buildings and monuments in Delhi, but Patna had none of them. Why was the girl determined to do? Why? What was the girl determined to do? Why? The girl was determined to win the cycle race. The girl was determined to win the cycle race because her brother had always beaten her. Because her brother had always beaten her. Third question: how did the cavalry officers look? What happened to them finally? How did the cavalry officers look? What happened to them finally? The cavalry officers looked brilliant in appearance. Finally, their horses were out of control. They ran in different directions. One of the riders was thrown in a ditch. Why did the girl reply naughtily? Because she did not want to admit her brother that she was frightened. Were the girl and her brother friendly with each other? Yes. The girl and her brother were friendly each other. Yes. The girl and her brother were friendly with each other. Were the girl and her brother friendly with each other? Yes. The girl and her brother were friendly with each other. I think it would be nice if we moved quickly from here. Question: who does refer to? I refers to Savita's brother. Think it would be nice if we moved quickly from here. Who does refer to? I refers to Savita's brother. Who does refer to? I refers to the Savita's brother. Then next questions. Before go to the question and answers, should learn glossaries. First one: groan, an utterance expressing pain. Bellow, the cry of cow. Scramble, To move or climb hurriedly. To move or climb hurriedly. Retreat, to move away. Retreat, to move away. Unpleasant, disagreeable. Unpleasant, disagreeable. Next, dislodged, freed. Unfortunate, unlucky. Unfortunate, unlucky. Resplendent, brilliant in appearance. Resplendent, brilliant in appearance. Magnificent, grand. Stampede, rush. Dislodged, freed. Balloon, the cry of a cow. Scramble, to move or climb hurriedly. Awkward, sensitive. Retreat, to move away. Unpleasant, disagreeable. Unpleasant, disagreeable. Blur, unclear. Blur, unclear. Exploring, traveling for discovery. Imposing, grand or impressive. Crowded, boasted. Blur, unclear. Okay students, thank you.